Hello everyone. In today's project we will be learning how to create circles using Turtle. First step is to pick the Import Turtle block from the Import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the Turtle section. The first block that we will be picking will be the Turtle block and the next block will be the Screen block. These blocks are used to define the turtle and the screen. After that add in the Turtle Speed block from the Turtle section. This block defines the speed of the Turtle pen. Now, let's start forming our design. Now pick the for loop from the loops section. Place the loop below the Turtle Speed block. Add in the Turtle Circle block from the Turtle section. This block creates a circle of the radius specified in the block. Place this block inside the for loop. Now we add in the Turtle Forward blocks from the Turtle section. The Turtle Forward blocks specify that the turtle will move in the direction specified. Head to the loop block and specify the number of times the loop will be executed. Specify the degree of change in direction the turtle will take after every circle. Now we toggle the forward block to right. Perform a final check and if correct run the code and observe the output. The desired pattern starts forming slowly. Similarly, using Turtle we can create more shapes, designs, and patterns.